What's up, guys? Welcome to another episode of JankyShack.com. Today we're going to start a new video series called How to Do Stuff from the Corner Store or the Dollar Store. So we're going to try to charge this cell phone using nothing but stuff from the dollar store. So when I say nothing but from the dollar store, I mean I'm not going to go buy a wall charger for $1 and plug my phone in and charge it. I mean, like, I can't use anything else. So you see all these tools here, all the way around here, like, got all this stuff. We're not going to use any of it. No power from the wall, no car charger, like, not plugging it into the car. We're going to charge this phone with literally only things that we can buy from the store, including tools. So I went to the local corner store, dollar store here, and I bought some things, and I hope this works. So I got a USB cable. I got a 12-volt car charger. I bought some batteries, double A's, and some Scotch tape. I got my phone here, so like obviously I'm not going to use my good phone for this stupid experience. So let's go ahead and open this stuff up and get started here. So if you guys would, if you guys think this is a kind of a cool idea, leave a comment down below and what other dollar store experiment projects I can do. And I would like to make a series out of this where we kind of make ridiculous stuff with only parts from the dollar store. So, let's see how we're going to do this. So we got 6 batteries here. I really hope this is going to be enough. If not, I do have kind of a backup plan. So my plan here is kind of like put them in series because we've got to kind of build the voltage up. So if you didn't know, AA batteries are actually 1.5 volts. So if you put them like nut to butt here, that would be a 3-volt battery. So you put another one on, you got another 1.5, right? So you have 4.5. So if we kind of make a train here and tape them together. Okay, so we have an issue. So I think if we did it like, so I think this is the positive. I'm not really sure. And this is the this is the positive here on the end, and these are the grounds here on this side. Pretty sure that. I don't know. We're gonna find out. So on the battery, the hump side is a positive, the flat side is a negative, and then we got to connect them all together. And I guess I don't know. I hope this counts. Let's see what we got. So I got a quarter as kind of a plate here on the bottom, so that I can connect the two like this, and hopefully create a thing. So let's tape this all together and see if it works. It's actually kind of hard because I can't use any tools. I know it would be way easier to just solder it. I got a spot welder, all kinds of crazy stuff. Oh man, this tape is so crappy. The dollar store, man. Okay. Oh, this is Janky Shack at its finest. Oh, we're rolling away here. Pull the tape out. Okay, so we got our battery cell here. So all the positives on the top are going this way, and all the positives on the bottom are going this way. So we got to connect them up. So I got my quarter here. Gonna stick them on there. Let's try to tape that thing together. This is such a great idea. I can't believe I thought of it. I thought about doing these videos live. What do you guys think? Leave a comment below. And if you guys, please, if you don't mind, like and subscribe, because it would really motivate me to make more of these retarded videos. that I know you guys love. Okay, so you see I taped the quarter on there in the end. So, let's see if this is going to work. So, plug this phone in to the thing. Let's get it there so you guys can be able to see it. Okay, so how about this? It'll be a lot cooler if it works. Let me try this one again. I see the problem. I can't touch the... I need another coin. Hold on, let me see if I can find a couple coins here. 2 cents short. So I got 2 pennies here. Just to boost me up a little bit. Oh, this is so dumb. Okay, it is actually charging. So you can see I'm not faking this. It doesn't like that. I really wish I had some wire or something I can do. I think it's this side. I don't know, only one side is connected, but you see, you touch it a certain way. Maybe it would be better if I put them on this side. So what? Ah! 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 Oh, this is so retarded. The more you push it together, the needs more tape. Ah, see, it's charging. So this does work. I think we just need a little bit more tape. Alright, so it's been charging for like a few minutes. Let's go ahead and turn this phone on and see. I think I've downloaded an app on here where you can measure how much it's charging. So we'll see what we got on there. S4 Mini. Yeah, it's a little bit old. So I've gone ahead and installed this app called Ampere on this phone, and as you can see, hopefully that'll focus. 360 milliamps it's charging, and just to prove that this is actually charging, I'll go ahead and unplug this, and as you can see, it goes into power saving mode because it's at 3% battery, and it's measuring again. See now it's minus 460 milliamps, and I'll go ahead and plug it back in. As you can see, no wireless charging here, and it goes back to charging again. So it does work. And just to prove it to you guys, I actually have the charger here for my watch, Samsung Galaxy Watch. I'm going to go ahead and try this. I actually haven't tried this before, so hopefully nothing bad goes on. But it does actually charge the watch also. So 21 minutes remaining to charge. So that's actually got a pretty decent output. If it goes from a 460 milliamp discharge rate with the screen on to actually charging So it's probably putting out like a 1 amp. I would say this thing. It says 2.1, but it's a dollar store, so you gotta cut that in half. Phone's about to die, so I'm gonna put this back on here. So I would overall say this is a success. There is an easier way to do this. You can buy the dollar store 9-volt battery. There are plenty of videos online by other people that show you how to do this, but look at how much stuff is in this battery and look at how much stuff is in these batteries. Do you really think that this is going to charge as much as your phone? I am going to go out on a limb and say probably not. They're both $1. They're usually 1 pack for these or 6 of these. Look at that. No, bigger is better. Always go for that. So, yes, totally possible with a 9-volt. Just remember the big one's the negative. Small one's positive. So please, leave a comment below. I want to hear about it. How this playlist should go. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next episode of, what's this series called? Surviving the Apocalypse, one corner store project at a time.